India HCI group. Anything that is about only about international development will be reviewed by international development group, and then some will be reviewed by both groups.
So the author is to mention clearly.
Yes. So as soon as you go to upload the paper, we have our net is not working here. Otherwise, I would have shown. We have a place where one can go and so as soon as you select, I want to submit a new paper. It will give you 4 options. Select an option. You want to talk about EasyChair here? Okay. So I think I should talk about EasyChair. So most conferences these days are managed through some conference management software or the other. So this whole process of reviewing can get very complicated if there are a lot of people from so many countries and so on. And these are just the chairs, by the way. We are going to have program committees, so there will be another 30-40 people. Okay, so it can get very complex, and then you have to figure out blind peer review and all that stuff. And email me somebody or the other saying the wrong email to somebody else. So there is this conference management system. The one that we have chosen to use is called easychair.org. There are some usability problems in that, but it is a good conferencing system on the whole. So we have given a link from our website to that EasyChair conferencing system. You go there, you go and create an account just like you go and create an account in Gmail or whatever. And then you submit your paper and then the rest of the process. So basically that's what it manages. So we're using, it's a free. So if you want to organize your conference, if you are organizing a workshop for example, you can still use your own EasyChair installation, which will be separate from ours. And then you can do internal management and so on. So anybody can use. Okay. So it's a little, there are some known usability problems in that. Don't write claims to me. I have not designed that EasyChair. There is the person who has designed it, his name is there on the website. You can send him feedback. Or if you send me, I'll send it, pass it on. So there's some known issues, but it's on the whole a pretty good system. Apparently a few thousand conferences use that system. So this guy is busy, sometimes he doesn't respond in time. He has to manage so many conferences. Yeah? Okay. So that's it. Thank you very much for taking the Saturday afternoon out. And I didn't expect so many people to turn up for a paper writing workshop, but I'm happy that you guys are here. And hopefully you guys will write a paper for India HCI conference that is coming up. The deadline is 15th November, by the way. By 15th November you have to submit an abstract. We don't review the abstract, but we need the abstract so that we can allocate the papers to different reviewers. Okay, so we need the abstract by 15th November. The deadline for submitting the papers are 5th of December. The deadline for submitting a student